Guys, good morning. This is Cecilia and welcome to Fitness Pyramid. Today we're gonna cook pasta with red sauce. So we are chopping sort of vegetables like capsicum and tomato we have. Now we'll just add half onion and we're gonna slice it. So be with us, watch the complete video. We'll show you how it can be cooked. In the meantime, our pasta is getting boiled. There's some sort of vegetables. Let's go over there, it's cooking. So we are now some oil here. Now guys, this is the sachet pasta masala we're gonna use this for. First we'll put little bit here after putting the pasta, and then we'll just mix it up. It will give you a very good color, as you can see. So this is what the color, so it's look complete delicious, guys. So we'll put some seasoning over here. We have bit of chilli flakes. So in order to put Indian tadka, we just use little bit of chilli flake. Just mix up. To make chilli, we'll put some Well, that's it for guys today. The pasta is ready to eat. We'll catch up in the next episode. Bye bye.